Can I get out now?
No, you can't!
Why? I'm sorry.
In a few minutes! Ha!
I don't want to sit in the corner anymore.
Stay there! Ha!
I don't want to sit in the corner. I'm sorry.
Just stay! Ha!
Can I get out of the corner now?
Yes, you might if you be good.
Okay, I'll be good.
Thank you. Go downstairs. So stay in the corner.
Why? What did I do wrong?
You punched me.
I'm sorry I punched you.
Just stay. Stay along. So be on there. Hop on. There. Hop on. So stay there and be quiet.
Wow, you're a tough mommy.
Be quiet.
The baby's sorry.